Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a young girl named Lily. Lily loved to paint, but she didn't have any paintbrushes or colors. Instead, she used sticks and stones to draw in the dirt. One day, while walking in the forest, Lily stumbled upon a mysterious old man. He handed her a small paintbrush and said, "This is a magic paintbrush. Whatever you paint with it will come to life." Excited, Lily rushed home and began to paint with the magic paintbrush. She painted a beautiful flower, and to her amazement, it bloomed before her eyes. Next, she painted a colorful butterfly, and it fluttered off into the sky. Lily's paintings brought joy to everyone in the village. But soon, word of the magic paintbrush spread far and wide. People from neighboring villages came to see Lily's paintings and begged her to paint things for them. At first, Lily was happy to share her gift, but as more and more people demanded her paintings, she became overwhelmed. She spent all her time painting for others and had no time left for herself. One night, Lily had a dream. In her dream, she saw herself painting a beautiful sunset. When she woke up, she realized what she had to do. She decided to paint only for herself from now on. Lily picked up her magic paintbrush and painted a sunset on a blank canvas. As she painted, she felt a sense of peace and contentment wash over her. When she finished, she hung the painting in her room and smiled. From that day on, Lily painted whatever her heart desired. She painted scenes from her imagination, landscapes from her dreams, and portraits of the people she loved. And though she still shared her paintings with others, she always made sure to paint first and foremost for herself. And so, with her magic paintbrush in hand, Lily continued to create beauty and wonder in the world, one stroke at a time.